Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition of I Am Cooking Again. I'm your man Ken. Today, baby back ribs, y'all. Sunday dinner time, baby back ribs. We're gonna do them simple. No 3, 2, 1, no 4, 4, 2, no. We're gonna run them 225, a little slow. It's early in the day. We're gonna let them cook a little while. Okay, cooks? We're gonna get them tender. We're gonna wrap them. You see the parquet game. All right, we're gonna wrap them. A little honey, a little parquet, a little brown sugar. Everybody likes brown sugar. All right, cooks? Stay with your boy. We're gonna put them on a pellet smoker. I'm probably gonna start at 225. Get them out there, let them roll. We're gonna have a good rib. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're back. Like I said, simple. First, we're gonna pull this membrane off the back, okay? Now this one, get your little paper towel, piece of paper towel, and a butter knife. If you don't have a butter knife, use a steak knife. If you don't have a steak knife, use scissors. Use whatever you need. All right, cooks, now this one, I see the membrane is already here. Let me see if I can grab a hold of it. Oh, you hear it? You hear it? Do you hear it, cooks? Hear that? Look at this. Look right off. Look at that. No problem. No problem, sir. No problem, sir. Right out of there. Going for round 2. This one not so easy, so I have to work for this one. I usually go in between bone 1 and 2. Get up in there, butter knife, give it a pry, give it a prying. You hear it cook with it. Right off. Right off, no problem. That membrane out of there, you don't want to be chewing on that. Get it out of there. Gone. Right, cooks? Membrane gone. You're looking good. A little bit of nonsense here. A little bit of nonsense, we'll get it off. A little straggly. Get that off, clean that up. Okay, cooks? Oh, wait a minute. All right. All right, cooks. A little trim. Not a lot, a little trim. Like I said, simple here. Do things simple here. Don't overcomplicate. Don't overcomplicate it. All right, cooks. A little binder, mustard game, mustard for the binder, binder for a reminder. A little bit, that's a lot. A little mustard, put it in there. All right, cook a little binder mustard, little mustard binder. Get that in there. See, I'm doing live, real time, no edit. This is how easy you should do it at your house, okay? And that's what we want to see, cooks. We want to see everybody doing it easy. It doesn't have to be that hard. Mind that water. Don't mind that water. Stay with me, cooks. Stay with your boy. Grill Master Honey Hickory. Nothing special. Doesn't have to be that special. You can use salt and pepper if you want to. All right, cooks? Going this way. Going this way. All right, cooks. We're back. Got the mustard. Just rub it in. Top side. Okay. Just a binder. Not making a mustard sandwich, so you don't need that much. All right. Get good coverage. Get that rub to stick nicely. Okay. Same on number 2. Okay, same on number 2. All right, get the hand wiped off. Get that hooked up. Dry towel, let's get it. Okay, we're going 2 ways this time, y'all. I think I'm gonna do this honey hickory on one. I'm gonna do sweet and smoky on the other. Okay, cooks? Let's go with this. Okay. On that. Get a nice coverage, cooks. Nice coverage. Okay. Now, I know it says rub. We're not gonna rub it. We're gonna pat. Pat it in there. Okay. We're gonna pat it. Just go and pat it, cooks. Just pat it. Don't rub it. Pat it. Just size there. Hook that up. Give it a pat. Give it a pat, cooks. Okay. Don't waste nothing here. Don't waste nothing. The corners. We're gonna pat it in. Pat it nicely. Okay, cooks. Second slab, sweet and smoky. Let's get them. Okay. Oh, this looks better. Looks a little better, doesn't it? Good coverage there. Good coverage on sweet and smoky. All right. All right. Sweet and smoky game. Cover it nicely. Okay, cooks. Same thing. Gonna pat it. Lightly pat. Lightly pat. That looks nice right there. I don't know about this honey hickory, man. I don't know. That. Nobody do that. You don't see nobody do that. This channel hit. It's like your house. All right, get that on there nicely. Okay, cooks. I'll let these sit here about 15, 20 minutes. Let's let it glisten. You'll know. What we're gonna do now, get out to pellet grill, fire it up, get it up to 225. By that time, this should be ready. Stay with your boy. We cooking again. Cooks, we're out here. Let's get it set. Expert pellet grill. We want to see 225. 225, cooks. About to come up. Smoke game gonna be strong. It's gonna be ridiculous, cooks. Stay with your boy. About to grab these ribs. We're gonna put them on there. We're gonna get going. I'm cooking again. So we out here. 218. I opened it up for a second. My fault. 225, like I said. Let's get these ribs on. They are glistening. I gotta tell you, cooks, look at this thing. Get your glisten on. Get your glisten on. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Okay? Like the master say, it's gonna cook how you put it on, so don't curve it and all that stuff. Okay, cooks? Put these two ribs, two slabs on here. Okay, cooks? Look at that. Beautiful. Shut it down. No thermometer needed. No temperature. We going. Well, we might do temperature later, but at this point, we're not doing 3, 2, 1. Like I said, we're not doing 4, 5, 6. We doing when it's ready. It's ready. Okay, cooks. Stay with your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Hit that notification bell if you're rocking with your boy. Look at the smoke. Come on, y'all. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. We're back. These ribs been on for a minute. Okay, cooks. We ready to go. You said, what's a minute? 3, 4. I'm not counting. I was on the couch. I have an app. Temperature's rocking. Let's go. We're going to get them ready. We're going to wrap them up. Actually, cooks, anywhere from 160 to 180 is wrap time. Okay, cooks? Parquet. Parquet again. Never butter, baby. Never butter. Parquet. Let's go. Honey gang. You can't rush the bear. Okay, don't rush the bear. Don't rush the bear. Little brown sugar. Okay? Come on, cooks. Little brown sugar in the game. Oh, you see the mountain. You see the mountain. We're gonna break it down. We're gonna break the mountain down. We're gonna break the mountain down. Come on. And here's a little vinegar. Apple cider. If you have it regular, just give it a little tang, a little twang, a little twang, a little twang. Just a little capful, maybe. Sorry, I didn't measure it, cooks. Let's go. Put a slab on it. What's it? Put a slab on it. Ow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, cooks. Gonna wrap her up. Wrap her up. You said, wait a minute, it's not closed. All right, I'm not using that because that's the next slab. You know we got 2 slabs in. Same thing. Parquet in the game. Hold up, cooks. Parquet in the game. Parquet in the game. Parquet in the game. Honey in the game. Same business. Same business. Yes. Now the first one, I'm gonna wrap it again. You know what I mean? I'm gonna cover that up. Brown sugar again. Come on, cooks. You see that big molecule? Not molecule. That monster pop out. Look at this. All right, cooks. We're gonna break them down. We're gonna break them down. Break them down. Break them down, cooks. Break them down. Huh? You know, people edit that out. You think that thing comes out perfect every time? No. Got the slab game. Ooh, it's a little hot. It's a little hot. Boom. Flip about the room. Both sides. Stop playing. All right, let's get it. I'll wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up. It's ready to go. Let me go back out there. This needs a little foil game. Cooks, stay with your boy. I turned it up to 275 now. We're not playing games. Maybe a half hour. Not a long time, okay? Not a long time. We're gonna break these down. This is ready to go. This one needs a little more foil in the game. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking. All right, cooks, we're back. We're finishing this video. See the baby back, baby back, baby back. You see the baby back? Cooks, stay with your boy. We're gonna cut one off. We're gonna do a taste test. I'm not gonna dance this time because that's a stereotype. Look at your boy. It's delicious. Of course it is. 2 racks, please. 2 racks of ribs. We rock them. Stay with your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video. Close. Look at the bone. Rock with your boy. We cooking again.